Warning, I swear a lot.
Hello guys, so my parents have currently taken our dog Jensen to a dog show in Scotland. They got up at like 12 o'clock last night. Pretty grim in terms of like having to get up. They went to bed at like 5 p.m, which is awful. So I thought I'd do something nice. I'm gonna bake them a cake. Because I'm just a darling son like that. So, in order to bake this cake for Mum and Dad, we're going to need some ingredients. For instance, this. It's cake mix because I don't know how to make cake. I don't know what I'm doing. We will need a bowl. Step 1. We need the cake mix to go in the bowl. So, the key here is to be very careful and to make sure the cake mix goes in the bowl. So, right, we're done. Next step, we need 2 medium eggs. I may have missed the bowl slightly. You should always clean your work surface. Done. That's 2 eggs. So, 2 eggs. And they must be placed in the bowl. There we go. Next we need 80 milliliters of vegetable oil. Here we go. Sunflower. This place is a fucking travesty. Next we require cold water. Next, it must be mixed. Fortunately, we have an electric mixer for this because I can't be fucked to do all that shit. Some assembly is required. Here we are. Go! Of course, how could I forget? You must preheat the oven. While that is whisking, we will preheat the oven. 160. And then we just have to turn it on. Alright, now that the electric whisker has done its fucking job, place it in a cake tin. But first, you gotta grease it. Done. Now that it's been mixed, you place your cake mixture. Just remove that whisk. Place it in the cake tin, and then you should put it in the oven. Now we wait. In the meantime, you can enjoy a nice cup of tea, or do some cleaning. Maybe some cleaning. I don't know, maybe some cleaning. While the cake is baked, if you are smart and handsome and talented, like I am, then you will have already prepared the drizzle icing. Kinda looks like close enough. Time for cake. Let's see how it turned out. Ooh. Now, before taking it out of the oven, you should check it with a knife, but I've already done that, because, you know, I'm here to create good content, not shit content. Let's get this bad boy out of the oven. Now, typically, lemon drizzle cake is made in a loaf shape, but I have opted for the classic circle. So, pop you guys down here so you can see what's going on. Ouch! Burning, no, clips, which cause the... This may be problematic. You see the issue? Yeah, there will be some structural damage. Dig the cake out, just give it a good dig. Pro tip for those of you at home, make sure you dig out your cake first. I sense I may have done this wrong. In fact, if I'm having to dig it out, grease the side of your tin, ladies and gentlemen. Proper lubrication is key. Okay, well, it looks kind of shit, I'm not gonna lie. But, no, I've never been a big advocate of, oh, it has to look nice. Like, it's food. If it tastes good, then you've done it right. Now, I am scared to take it off of the pan, the cake tin, so I'm just gonna move it like that. There we go. That's marvelous. Oh, that's fantastic. Just mwah. do the top of it with the fork. I don't know why you do that, but that's what the instructions said, so that's what I'll do. Oh wow, that's like molasses. I don't even know what molasses are, but nevertheless, you must have the patience of a Tibetan monk. There it, wait. Oh, there it goes, and you just spread that shit around the cake, like so, making sure to reach all parts so that every single delicious slice has drizzle on it, like so. Oh, that is a masterpiece. The Great British Bake Off won't stop calling me, and I'm like, yo, I'm busy making better cakes like this one. Oh, it's good. Oh, it's very good. Oh, look at that. I mean, I'm sorry you guys can only see so much from there because I have to record all this off a fucking phone. Because I'm not one of those rich fucking YouTubers who could just buy shit. You know, my phone isn't even that modern. But with a cake like this, who even cares? Look how moist it is. Moist. 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 I swear my video is going to be flagged for indecent images with the fucking majesty and deliciousness of this cake. I'm just chatting shit because this icing is actually taking 5 years to pour, and it's only like a thin strand, but I made this icing and I'll be fucked if I'm letting any of it go to waste. Remember, don't be afraid to cheat, because cheaters win. Cheaters get what they want faster, so rush the drizzling process that is supposed to be slow, because you're a winner. Actually, oh, here's a bit of top tier advice, ladies and gentlemen. Use some of this extra thick drizzle to cover up some of the structural damage on your cake. I often do that with melted white chocolate, as it covers and reinforces damage in the structure of the cake. Oh yeah, it's looking real good. Just pull that along there, oh, a little bit more, and now it'll be covered. I mean, improved. No mistakes, just happy accidents. And then you pop these in the oven because you're having fish finger sandwiches for tea, bruv. Yeah! But here it is, the finished product. It sure looks good. That middle part is gonna blow someone's head off with how fucking lemony it's gonna be. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Lemon drizzle cake, baked to perfection, awaiting two very tired parents who will be home in about several hours. Make sure you take the time to bake something of relative quality for the people you love in your life. Friends, partners, family, your dog, anyone. It's a fulfilling experience. Thank you so much for watching. This has been a travesty. If you have any tips, not that I need them, but you can feel free to put them down there if you think you can do a better job than me. But whatever you do, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope to see you again soon. Toodles. Bye.